weil ein Freund von mir, Matthias Maus, einer meiner ältesten Freunde, hat mal gesagt, überleg dir mal, wie viele gute Sommer du eigentlich noch vor dir hast. Nimm mal an, bis du 70 bist. Also ich habe dann in dem Sinne noch 13 Sommer vor mir. Und diese 13 Sommer, die möchte ich noch genießen, ja.
And who is this nice big fellow here?
Johan.
Johan.
Yeah, my name is Johan.
And you know, we are on the mission to clean up the ocean, and so we are collecting a little bit of plastic waste. And I didn't figure out the system in Finland. And Johan is the right man to ask, because he's living for how many years?
4 years in Finland.
4 years in Finland.
Came here to do some organic farming, some
Really?
permaculture.
So you are really the good guy. You are from the good side.
I'm here for the earth, man. I'm here for the earth, just like you. Yeah.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
So now here, this is like for on that side, you don't see that, but there are like this cardboard.
Yes.
And even the milk bottles. Something like this.
Yeah, that could go into cartons.
That can go in there.
Yep, that's carton.
Okay, I put it in here.
Good man. There you go.
Then the really bad thing is I found this and there's still liquid in it.
At
So
one
this
of the
is
big recycling centers, you can do it.
This kind of hard plastic and the soft plastic?
Same. It's a big cycling center.
Big cycling center,
Yep.
okay.
Yep.
Still doing the organic farming stuff?
Yeah, man. That's what we do. We grow medicinal plants. We grow food, and
Wow.
yeah, we make different kinds of tinctures and all this kind of thing here. That's why I moved from Holland to do that.
You said you're Dutch and American?
Yeah, I'm dual national. I was born in Holland, but I lived 40 years on the west coast of America.
Wow, 40 years.
Yeah, so a long time.
So
and,
West Coast means
like Portland, Oregon.
Portland,
So,
Oregon. That must be also very beautiful.
Very progressive and beautiful, yes. But ultimately, America's kind of going down the toilet. Politically, socially, and everything. We said I'm coming back to Europe, so I've been here. But here it's a very nice country. Very
wow.
nice, yeah.
So that everybody who's thinking about changing places from Germany, because we have 80 million people, and I still think it's too much for a small country like Germany.
Finland.
Finland's the way to go.
And very nice and progressive thinking. It's a very cool country.
Cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Thank you
Pleasure.
very much.
Good luck
That
on
was
your
a
journey.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you. Und das ist auch so eine Sache, ne? Der Agrar-Jackson, ja, der die Idee hatte, immer diese Plastikfolien auf die Felder zu spannen, damit das Zeug schneller wächst, ja, oder früher im Jahr ausgesät werden kann, die Wärme ausreicht, der müsste da auch verhaftet werden. Dann zerreißt das Zeug, wird vom Wind weggeblasen und landet in der Natur im Meer.